Ito po, meron po kami fish, ang kanin, tapos mga nilagang gulay, okra, talong, kakapos. Meron din po akong bagoong na isda. Saka saging na pang himagas. Ayan, saging. So, halika na. Eat na.
Saging.
Oo, saging. Eat na tayo. Eat. This is fish. 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 You eat like mama. Yum. Look, ganito. Get fish. Tapos get rice then. Yan. Get. Eat. Eat. Yan. Very good. Again. Again. Yan. Very good. Fish. Fish. Very good. Get fish yum. Rice. And your rice. And eat. Eat yan. Rice. Put rice. Put rice. It's banana. Yan. Very good. Eat ka lang. Dito ka lang. Yan. Eat. Kain tayo guys. Ito talaga po si Amel is natakaw ng sabi niya. Akala mo unggoy. Kain tayong gulay. Sausaw natin sa bagoong isda. Try. Okra. Ito yung mga kadalasang sapang probinsya. Sarap na sa pag ganito. Ang lamig. Ayan mo. Just rice yan. Banana. Sausaw natin dilikat bago ako isda. Talong. Ang talong. Paborito ko yung talong. Ano pag sinasaw-saw saan? Ito. Sa bago. Talong. Eat rice, eat rice. Eat that rice. Eat. Yan, good. Eat. Eat. Yan, good job. Eat again. Eat rice. Eat rice. Eat rice again. Eat rice. Eat rice first. Yan. Proper again. Eat rice. Fish, oh. Yes. Very good. Mm. Don't fish. Get rice. Yan. Get this. Yan. All. No, not only fish. Get rice. Yan. Get rice. Yan. Get. Yan. Eat. Mm. Yung banana again. Ang sarap kumain pag ulam, tapos umuulan pa. Mm. Yummy! Say yummy! Yummy! Dito. Dito tapos eat. Mm. Eat fish. Get this. Eat. Not only fish, put rice. You just put rice. Yeah, like this, you put ulam in the rice and eat like this. Yum! Yum! Walang soy-soy yung ano. Pwede dito.